Hey YouTube, this is Lambo. I want to show off this new truck camper. It is a 2017 950 SC pop top Northstar, sitting on a 2015 Ram 3500 dually. We just came back from New Hampshire with it, and we haven't even camped in it yet. So I just want to give you a little video of it. This will be just an outside video. I'll do an interior one next. I like the fact that this roof has 6 latches. And I don't know if you can actually see, but I actually have pins in there so they don't come off. God forbid if that top ever came off driving down the road. So this right here, this is your cassette toilet tank. This is your black tank right here. So basically you push down on the yellow lever, pick up on the yellow lever, pull that tank out, and dump your waste. It's kind of like a blue honey wagon. Right there is a small, very small compartment. I'd say blocks, something like that. The kit came with torque lift fast guns, and the brackets underneath was included. Outside light. This European style window comes with a screen on the inside. You can put the screen up or down, and that window will pop out, and it has a darkening shade. Also in the deal included was the swing out brackets. And like I said, the fast guns, which are white to match the truck, which I really like. Got compartment in the bumper, swing out step, and of course the ladder. 110 outlet, LED lights. This is a compartment basically probably for a generator and other things if you want to put in there. I don't have a small generator, but I did put some things in there just to see what would fit in there and go from there. And down here is the propane tank. Okay, not a bad little setup. Here's a furnace vent, outside shower, outside light, another light. We got 3 lights, one on each side, one on the back. Of course, your refrigerator vent. 30 amp is going to be right here. Your holding tank water is going to be right there. And your hot water heater. And like I said, the latch is right there. And the wind is blowing pretty good. But anyway, I wanted to show off this Northstar pickup sitting on there. Oh yeah, and it came with the air conditioning and the maxi van up on top. Thank you for viewing. I'm gonna do an interior one soon. Hope you like the setup. Any comments, questions, definitely feel free to ask.